Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter movies or shows by genre on Netflix. So if you want to find a specific genre on movies or shows on Netflix, this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just launch the Netflix app, and then you can just go straight to the category that you want, TV shows or movies at the top right here. Let's say I'm going to find TV shows first. And in here at the very top, you'll see this box,
Girlfriend
this
was
little
she?
box
What's the
say
difference? When
genres.
someone gets
So
married,
what you need to do is just click on this drop down and you'll see the genres on the movie genres on Netflix. For example, I'm going to go with sci-fi and fantasy. So you can just choose the category that you want and Netflix will show you the TV shows with the genres that you selected. And it's also the same with movies. So when you click on movies, you will also see this little box and you can just select the genres that you want. I'm going to go with dramas and again it will show you the result. So you can just search the movies that you want to watch in here. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.